Fiji's traditional lovo is a feast for the senses, where food is slow-cooked in an earth oven, infusing it with a smoky flavor and tender texture. This communal event is a cultural cornerstone, with prices starting from $46 per adult for an authentic experience. Stroll through Fiji's vibrant markets, where stalls overflow with tropical fruits, root vegetables, and fresh seafood. This journey from market to meal is a cultural experience, showcasing the fusion of indigenous and international flavors in coconut-infused dishes and root vegetable staples. Fijian baking is an art form that blends traditional techniques with island flavors. Tropical fruits, coconut, and cassava flour create a unique palette of tastes. Participate in a local cooking class to learn the secrets of Fijian baking and take home a piece of the island's culinary heritage. The Island Buffet is a gourmet exploration of Fiji's heritage, offering a symphony of flavors with fresh fish, Polynesian vegetables, and tropical fruits. Beyond the buffet, experience the kava ceremony, a social tradition fostering community and respect, and enjoy firewalking demonstrations and traditional dance shows. Fiji's culinary landscape is a melting pot of Pacific cultures. Polynesian, Melanesian, and French influences create a unique gastronomic experience. The Port Moselle market exemplifies this diversity, with an array of local produce that delights the senses. Fiji's commitment to sustainable seafood practices ensures the preservation of marine ecosystems and culinary traditions. Local fishermen use traditional, eco-friendly methods, resulting in ethically sourced seafood that's fresh and environmentally conscious. Enjoy popular Fijian seafood dishes made with the freshest ingredients from the ocean. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.